The vowel in I. Pronunciation Activation Pack 18. I. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the sixth of the gliding vowels, I. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the I sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the I sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the I sound correctly. Letter combinations for I. This gliding vowel sound has these letter combinations: I, IE, Y, YE, IGH, and rarely EYE, EIGH, EI, AI, UY, and AE. Practice. I never cry when high and mighty tyrants die. Practice. My Iberian Isle tries to recycle iron it buys from Thailand. Practice. My psychiatrist assigned the maestro to the asylum at the height of his Alzheimer's. Practice. The vilest vampire is inclined to either hide or die by sunrise. Note that either can be pronounced as either either or either. Problems for students. There are no other vowel sounds that have the potential to cause confusion with the I sound. However, because the I sound has a large number of letter combinations, in this pronunciation activation pack I'll look at the spelling of words with the I sound in them. Pronunciation activator. As I said, there are no vowel sounds in English which cause confusion with the I sound. Nevertheless, I've created some interesting exercises in the pronunciation activator to help you better hear and produce the different vowel sounds. Each time you do the pronunciation activator, you'll be given some random exercises from a large database of exercises. The exercises will fully activate your use of the I sound for both speaking and listening. Dictionary. There's a good chance that some of the words used in this pronunciation activation pack will be new to you. To help you out, I've compiled an extensive dictionary of vocabulary used. The dictionary gives you the meaning of all the words used in this pronunciation activation pack. You can download the dictionary as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Vocabulary activator. In addition to the pronunciation activator, I've included a vocabulary activator which will test your knowledge of all the words in the dictionary. You'll be given random definitions of words each time you do the vocabulary activator. This will also give you the opportunity to hear how each word is correctly pronounced in British English. Add these words to your active vocabulary and make them your own. Phonetic transcription. I've also compiled a phonetic transcript of all the words I included in the pronunciation activator. You can read each word in Latin script alongside the British English IPA transcription, With your growing understanding of the British English IPA chart, this will help you to see how different letter combinations can produce the same sound. You can download the phonetic transcriptions as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Use it in combination with the dictionary if you're uncertain of the meaning of any of the words included in the list. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all enjoying the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com. I look forward to welcoming you as a Britlisher soon. Goodbye for now.